Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased a Fitbit device, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and connect it to your phone. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and tap Join Fitbit to create a new account or log in if you already have an account. Step 3. Enter your personal information including email, password, birthday, height, and weight to create your profile. Step 4. Tap Continue and then tap Set up a device to begin pairing your Fitbit. Step 5. Select your specific Fitbit model from the list of available devices. Step 6. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed with the setup. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to plug your Fitbit into the charging cable and connect it to power. Step 8. Wait for your Fitbit to power on and display the pairing screen. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Step 9. When your Fitbit appears in the app, tap on it to begin pairing. Confirm any pairing codes that appear on both devices. Step 10. Choose your wrist placement preference and adjust the band for a comfortable fit. Step 11. Set up features like notifications, all-day sync, and activity goals according to your preferences. Step 12. Complete any firmware updates that may be available for your device to ensure optimal performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.